This is my 2000 model Hoover Preferred. I got it Goodwill about 3 days ago. It didn't come with any attachments. I put all of them on it. We will go over it here. Let me get this first. The 2000 model Hoover Preferred with the soft and light tool caddy. That tool caddy is original. It did have the hose with it when I got it. That's all it had. So we have the dusting brush here, which has been heavily used. Well, there we go. We got the extension one, which I think it come off of one that had a tool caddy on the side, because it would have been like that and rubbed up against the wall. We have that. We have an upholstery tool, come off of a commercial Hoover Empower, and sold in this crevice tool. We have the hose here. Go ahead and turn this over, show you the rating plate. This machine's in very good shape. Everything on this one is original except the attachments and the belt. Everything else is original. Here's the ratings plate. It's the 2000 model. It had to replace the belt. It's got a brand new belt on it. The Hoover Preferred logo there. I don't know what it is with these Preferreds, but they always seem to be missing that, if they even come with one. I've never seen one that's had one on it, unless somebody's put one on it. But I have a Style 7 HEPA bag in here, because that's the only kind of HEPA bag I have that will fit these right now. I need to get some Type A, but I can't find any right now. Yeah, we'll go ahead and run it. Go ahead and put the hose in here so we can test the suction. Okay. The 2000 model Hoover Preferred.